Hello students of class 1, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you New Enjoying Mathematics lesson number 1, numbers up to 50, part 2. In the last class we learned numbers up to 20. Now we will go ahead with the new topic, that is place value. Now what do you mean by place value? Place value means all the numbers are having their own places wherever they stand. Now here you can see they have given some numbers from 1 to 9. Now the numbers from 1 to 9, all numbers stands alone, so their place is ones. But as we see, 10 are the number 10 is having two places. So here 0 is having ones place and 1 is having new place before it, that is called tens place. Now next we have to learn, look at these people standing one on top of other at the fair. How many are there? Write the number in the box, then write the number name. So here some questions we have to answer. Now how we will do this? As you can see, there are 10 people standing on one another. So it is a group of 10 people, but in one group there are 10 people. So we will count it as 1, and 1 is standing alone. So as we saw, the last place is ones and before it the new place is tens. So we will write 1 in tens place and 1 in ones place. In same way, you have been given 11 in the book, and the blue box, in the blue box you have to write 11 again. Same way, here the spelling of 11 is given and you have to write the spelling of 11. As you can see, I have already written. Next, again the same thing, you can see 10 people are standing in a group and 2 are standing separately. So this is ones place, this is tens place. So tens place we will write 1 and ones place we will write 2. Next is, you can see 12 is given already, so you have to write this 12 in your book and the spelling of 12 again. After that, what next comes is group of 10 people and 3 are standing separately. So in tens column we will write 1 and in ones column we will write 3, because 3 people are standing alone. Again you can see 13 is given, so in blue box you have to write 13 as I have written, and the spelling of 13 they have given in the book, you have to copy as it is and learn the spelling. Like this you can see all the spellings are given in the book. So till 14 on this page number 8, and on the next page you can see 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Same like this you have to copy in your book and do the homework and learn the spelling, so that it will be easy for you to learn. You will be familiar with the number names and the numbers. Thank you students. So here I end my part 2 session.